How to watch Hulu with ExpressVPN. Here's how you can use ExpressVPN to watch Hulu from outside the United States or bypassing geo restrictions. Step number 1. Sign up for ExpressVPN. Go to the ExpressVPN website and sign up for a subscription plan. Download and install the ExpressVPN app on your device. Step number 2. Install and set up ExpressVPN. Once installed, open the ExpressVPN app. Log in using the credentials you created during the sign-up process. Step number 3. Connect to a US server. Inside the ExpressVPN app, select a server located in the United States. Connect to the server. This will provide you with a US IP address and make it appear as if you're browsing from the US. Step number 4, go to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Once connected to a US server, open the Hulu website in your browser or open the Hulu app on your device. Log in with your Hulu credentials or sign up if you don't have an account. Step number 5, start watching Hulu. After logging in, you can now browse Hulu's content library and start streaming your favorite shows and movies.